réservation, seulement pour les déjeuners.
Okay.
Alright guys, this is our little Mauritius paradise for a couple of days. Yeah, okay, let's open the door. This is the private pool. And woo, it's hot and nice. Oh my god. This is how beautiful place is. So beautiful. This is our pool. So nice. So sick. You're never gonna get that in Canada. Well, you can never get that in Canada. Let's just be honest. This is our little relaxing area, the pool area, and then we're gonna open this.
You have to close it up?
Yeah. And so this is the room tour, guys. Let's start with the bed. These are our bags and stuff. This is the ceiling. Beautiful ceiling. Love the wooden flooring. Love the frangipane. And love the actual paintings. This is the bathroom area.
Can I lay on the bed now?
Yeah, lay on the bed. This is the amazing bathroom area. This is, the stone is from Thailand. Yeah, frangipane. I know, this is the best flowers here. Yeah, I did film it a little bit.
Nice.
Actually, before you actually think.
Look at this.
No, I know.
Look, film it from the first angle. Sick.
This is the door. Obviously, the front door. And then we walk in. We get this little area, which is our bathroom. And this is going to be where we're going to put our clothes, the wardrobe area. And this is amazing. This little area thing. This is our bathroom, the shower, relaxing area, and this is the bathtub. Bathtub is so nice. Like, I love this rustic feel, love this decor. This is the kind of feel I'm looking for my house, hopefully someday. So nice. Is it good? Oh, what we're doing again with David done.
Pineapple samousa, caramel sauce, chocolate ice cream. Oh my god. I already know it.
We are having dinner. Well, we already had dinner. We're having dessert. Yeah, it's really nice to have cats all the way down here. They are our companions for the night, and I really, really like them. I mean, I'm not a fan of cats usually, but yeah. Hello, beautiful people. we are going to have breakfast. We woke up late, which is so nice, and the weather is amazing. On vacation, on holiday is actually early, but we breakfast. We didn't want to miss breakfast. So yeah, the weather is amazing. Just really enjoying Mauritius, and can't wait to have the food. Not super hungry, but can't wait to actually have some coffee or tea. What are you gonna have, husband? Oh, there's a coconut, little coconut thing. Look at the background, how amazing the background looks like. Can't wait. I'm gonna have the hubs take some few pictures with me with my little outfit. Actually, babe, we should just like chill, walk a bit slowly, because it's like it's literally 1 minute, the restaurant. As I told you guys, I have my laptop, not my laptop, it smells really nice. We're gonna head to the pool after as well.
Every minute counts. It's rainbow light.
Every minute counts. The greenery in Mauritius is unbelievable. I just love it so much. Look at the background. So beautiful. The hotel is amazing. So far we're really enjoying ourselves. Oh, and we're gonna go to the spa after. Can't wait to go to the spa. Anyway, let me be back. We're having breakfast and we are so excited. Here in Mauritius, they have really nice small pastries like mini croissant au chocolat, mini what is it called? Apple strudel. Everything is mini sizes compared to back in Canada with huge sizes, which it's not very refined, and this one looks really good. I'm loving it. So in love with it.
I should not be eating this, but I'm gonna
Yeah.
eat it.
I'll take a picture for you guys and actually post it somewhere here on my phone. I mean on this video. I have the husband take the picture. Really, to be honest, I haven't been wearing any makeup. Not much, to be honest, because of the heat. But also, don't feel like you need it. It's just amazing weather. And I love it. Oh, hold on. Babe, you need to get out and then give him food. Give him food, you need to sit down at his level.
Come on then.
Ok, attends. Attends. Là,
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Hello, beautiful people. We are heading to a mall. We're going,
Oh, my glasses, that's okay.
that's okay. We are heading to Bagatelle Mall just to see how it is, because we haven't been here for 2 years plus. The heat is amazing, and we have the sunroof on up, I mean. So I'm just really enjoying everything. I will show you my outfit. I have the hubs take a picture of my outfit. I didn't bring much makeup, to be honest. Well, I did. It's back home, back at my mom and dad's place. Right now we are going to have a lovely time. We're hungry, we're gonna eat, and I will show you around. I thought I just popped in. I don't even know where this vlog is going, to be honest, because I have snippets of bits and bobs of everything, because I'm enjoying myself so much, and the hubs is enjoying himself a lot as well. So yeah, I'm back to filming, which is so good. I really love vlogging for you guys and showing you places that I'm going and things like that. Anyway, I will see you later when we arrive at Bagatelle, and yeah. I've seen people eat ocean basket.
Pour les silos, c'est évacué. Ça descend.
Question à la
Ok, et donc dans le cadre de tes études, tu as dû faire un projet, j'imagine. C'était quoi le projet?
C'est la gestion des décisions d'entreprise.
Ok, donc suite à ça, j'imagine une bonne note pour ton projet t'encourage à aller de l'avant, n'est-ce pas?
On va dire que c'est plutôt le côté profitabilité.
So we are doing some shopping. So far I haven't seen anything that I really like, but the food has been good. What are we doing? There's Bonjour. I forgot how to vlog, guys. I haven't touched my camera for a couple of days. Yeah, let's go to Woolworth. We're going to Fashion House as well. Here's my little sister. Peace. Oh, guess what, people? We just saw a pair of, I got my sister a pair of Roxy trainers that I paid for $18 back in Canada. I got her 2 pairs, and here it's $51 for 1 pair. So I got a really good deal. Anyway, we're entering Woolworth right now. You guys will hear a lot of. They do. You guys will hear a lot of Creole in the background. That's my mother tongue. And there's another sister. Let's catch this other sister of mine. I'm just loving it. Oh, let's catch this husband.
Mon parler et Marie c'est.
In actual tracker. No, Naj, for what we got is really good. Yeah, extrêmement cher. Okay. My first iced coffee that the hubs concocted for me. The color is perfect. We've had issues with milk and the amount of syrup.
Mais on va pas dire.
Yeah, it's okay. It's a bit arc, but it's good. It's the best that I've had so far. C'est pas vraiment comment. Ouais, c'est sur le Badou.
De l'essence, on
Besok kat tepi ni bukan ada mesti ada.
It is granulated, so ready.
Oh, okay, yeah, give me the corn. Anyway, I had the best time at Fashion House. It is so nice. I got 2 stuff from them for Mauritius because you know I have to wear them, and it's really nice cotton, and yeah, it's really nice place. The shopping was really nice. I couldn't do a lot of vlogging just because I was having so much fun, but yeah, it's really nice. Let me show you a little bit of the actual fashion house here. It's an outlet. Yeah. Woo.